this tulip started. First, we're going to draw the petals. You're going to go up, around, and back down, and make that end touch. Then we're going to draw a line to show the divide of the leaf. And I'm going to draw the stem, one line going vertical, and another line coming down here. We're going to make it end right there. Now I'm going to draw the other petal a little bit higher, and it's going to make an N shape touching the stem and the line. Next, I'm going to make a U shape for the petals. Then we're going to I'm going to just fix this a little bit more so that you don't see the stem. And it's okay if you make a mistake. Always have room to fix things. I'm going to make a V shape, and then I'm going to make a cute little N on the top. So now my tulip is complete. Let's make some eyes. One circle, two circles. Let's make the mouth. One little U and a little W there. I'm going to color in the eyes so that they're nice and dark. Now let's get ready to color, and just remember you can color your tulip to be a different color. It could be a rainbow color, yellow, blue, but I'm going to make my tulip red today. Have fun!